Alright, this is how a thermocouple works. Now this part right here is the actual safety magnet. This part goes up in the gas valve itself. And the thermocouple screws into the end of the thing. This is mounted into the gas valve. And the way this works is, a lot of people think pressure is what works this thing, but it's not. It's electricity. Now there's a negative and a positive on the tip end of this. This being the ground, this being the hot leg. Alright, when you screw this in, you want to make sure that inside there is clean. No corrosion on your gas valve. Remember, this is part of your gas valve and it's non-serviceable. So when you push down on the button on your gas valve, you're actually pushing this spring in here, see? As long as the tip end of that thermocouple is cool, it's not going to hold. But watch what happens when we heat it up. I'll turn the stove on here and put some. This is just like when you're lighting the pilot. You want the tip end of the thermocouple to be in the pilot light. Or when it gets heated up, see there? It's holding in. Why is it holding in? Because the heat from the gas is causing an electrical current between the nickel and the copper inside the thermocouple on the tip of that end. You see how it popped out? That's because it cooled off. There's no flame hitting it. It cooled off and it released. And that would be what would happen if the wind was to blow the pilot light out. So that's why it works. It's a safety thing. So that's how they work. A lot of people told me they thought it worked by mercury or something like that. It's not by mercury, it's by power. This is an electromagnet right here. As long as it's heated up, the tip end of that thermocouple produces enough voltage to keep this thing open. When it ain't got it no more, it pops shut. That's all the smart pills Pawpaw has today.